Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Enjoying at your home? Yes. Very nice of you. Okay, children. Fold your hands. Sit straight. Do not open. Open your eyes slowly. Nice? Yes. Children, every day you should do pranam to your elders. That is your mother, your father, your grandparents. You should do pranam. Okay? Nice. And always you should smile. There should be a smile on your face. You should not cry. If your mother tells you anything, you should obey. You should listen. You should listen to your elders. Now, children, I am going to say you hello. Okay? I am going to say hello. But what you are going to say? Hi. Okay? Shall we play? Yes. Hello, children.
Hi.
Very good. Once more. Hello.
Hi.
Very good. Say once more. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes. Clap for yourself. Children, always you should be smiling. Always you should enjoy the moment. Okay. Now, I am going to show you something. Are you in your home? Are you helping your mother, your father, your grandparents? If anyone asks you something, you are giving them? If your father asks you remote, you will give him a remote. If your grandma asks a water, you give a glass of water. You are very nice kids. Yes. Now, I will show you something. Something? Yes, what is this? Vegetables. What are these? Vegetables. Yes. So, have you seen the vegetables? Yes, in the kitchen. Mama has kept the vegetables. Yes. Let me show you something. What is this? Potato. What is this? Potato. And tomato. Carrot. Brinjal. Cabbage. And this? Onion. Yes, these are the vegetables. And many more vegetables are there. So, if you eat all the vegetables, you will be healthy. You will become strong. You have to eat all the vegetables. Isn't it? Okay. Now, shall we do actions? Shall we sing a song? Yes. All join with me. Okay? Vegetables, vegetables we have seen. Vegetables, vegetables we have seen. Some are red and some are green. Some are red, some are green. Vegetables, vegetables make us strong. Vegetables, vegetables we have seen. Some are red and some so green. Make us strong, make us strong. Some are round, some are long. Vegetables, vegetables green and fresh. They can be eaten plain or dressed. They can be eaten plain or dressed. Clap for yourself. Nice? Yes. Have you learned? Have you seen? Yes. Now children, your mother is washing or she is cleaning the vegetables. Why? Because when we bring the vegetables from the market, first we have to clean the vegetables. We have to wash the vegetables with water, clean it and keep it aside. Okay. Now, after keeping it aside, what we have to do? What your mother will do? She will separate the vegetables. Why to separate? Because everything is in only one container. All the vegetables are mixed. All the vegetables are mixed. And the vegetables are in one container. So, mother, what she will do? She will keep the vegetable separately in one container, in one bag, Okay? So, separating the vegetables or sorting the vegetables, mother is doing. So, I can help her? Yes? So, you are going to help your mother in sorting the vegetables? Yes? You like to sort the vegetables. Very nice of you. Yes. If you are having tomato, lemon, potato, onion, what you are going to do? Onion in one cover, lemon in another cover, potato another cover, tomato in one more cover. Yes. After that, you are going to keep the vegetables in the fridge. We are going to keep the vegetables in the fridge. Okay? Now, we will help the mother to sort the vegetables. Very nice, children? Yes. Okay, children, we'll help your mother now. That is, Mama has washed these vegetables. She has cleanly washed these vegetables. Now what we have to do? We have to keep the vegetables separately. For that, what do you need? Plastic cover? No. Plastic cover? No. Bag? Yes. But now I'm not having bag. I'm having these small container. So, shall I keep in this? Yes. So, first, keep this for one vegetable. Okay. Now, what I will do? What is this, children? Capsicum? No. Cucumber. What is this? Cucumber. Which color it is? It is light green in color. I will place it here. What is this? Red tomato. Which color tomato? Red color tomato. I will place it here. Now I am having one vegetable. This is brinjal. What is this? Brinjal. Brinjal, I will keep it here. What is this? Ridge gourd. What is this? Ridge gourd. And what is this? Onion. Onion. One more. Yes. What is this? Carrot. I love carrot very much. Which color it is? It is orange in color. Which color it is? It is orange in color. Now I'm having lemon. Lemon. Less yellow color. Which color it is? Yellow. Which color? Yellow. I will place it here. Now I'm having, what is this? Lady finger. What is this? Lady finger. Yes, I will keep it here. And what I'm having? Enough? Yes, I'm having potato. Which color it is? Yes, it is light brown color. Potato. I like potato very much. Yes, vada pav. For doing vada, we use this potato. Yes. Now, what is this? Green chili. You like green chili? It is very sweet. No? It's very hot. I will keep it here. Okay. And which vegetable is enough? No. I'm having one more. Green pea. I like very much. Do you like green peas? Yes. I will place it here. And what is this? Oh, heavy. What is this? Bottle gourd. What is this? Bottle gourd. I will keep it here. It is very big. Nice flower. Nice flower. What is this? Cauliflower. What is this? Cauliflower. It's white in color with the green leaves. White in color. I will use this for flower. That is cauliflower. Now onion. Where should I keep this onion? Yes, I have to keep it here. I have to keep it here. Now, yes. Now start sorting. Now, do you understood? Have you understood? Sorting means we should keep the vegetables separately. We should keep the vegetables separately with lady finger. Yes, here. Ginger. Yes, I have kept it here. What is this? Onion. Here. Capsicum. Where should I keep? Where should I keep? Yes, here. Brinjal. Yes, children, do you know? Brinjal is the king of vegetables. Isn't it? Yes. Children, tell me, who is the king of jungle? Yes? Lion. Who? Lion is the king of jungle. Yes. Where should I keep this capsicum? Here. Lemon. Here. Lemon. Here. Ridge gourd. Is it ridge gourd? No. Which vegetable? Cucumber. Which is this? Cucumber. This is ridge gourd. Do you like? I too don't. No? I too don't like it, but we have to eat all the vegetables. Brinjal. Where? Here. Potato. Capsicum. Hey, brinjal went here? No. Yeah, here. Onion. Onion wants to sit on tomato? No. Your place is here. Capsicum, where is your place? Here? No. Jump? No. Jump? No. Jump? Yes. Potato, where is your place? Here. Brinjal, where is your place? Here. Onion. Are you playing with the vegetables? No. We should not play with the vegetables. Okay? Keep the onion here. Tomato. Children, do you know tomato? Will you eat the tomato? Yes. We can eat the vegetables. That is raw vegetables. That is raw vegetables in salad. We use in salad. Tomato we can use in salad. And what is this? Carrot. What is this? Carrot. Yes. Yes, carrot. Onion. What is this? Tomato. I like tomato very much. Now remaining green vegetables. Okay. Lady finger. Where's lady finger? Yes. Now this green peas. This many green peas. I'll put it here. Which is this? Lady finger. Where should I keep this? This is also green. Shall I keep it here? No. Here. This brinjal. Potato. Yes. Onion. This. Tomato. Yes. Little tomato. This is baby tomato. Yes. Lady finger, I like this very much. Yes. Last one. Last vegetable. Which is this? Capsicum. Capsicum. Where should I keep this? Here. Yes. Now children, we have kept all the vegetables separately. We have kept all the vegetables separately. Isn't it? Yes. It looks nice. Yes. Can you see carrot? Can you see lady finger? Onion. Brinjal. Red gourd. Tomato. Cucumber. Ginger. Lemon. Capsicum, green chili, green peas, potato. What is this? Cauliflower. What is this? Cauliflower. Bottle gourd. It's known as dudi. Isn't it? Yeah, one more vegetable. Pumpkin. We didn't bring that pumpkin. It's too heavy. Pumpkin is also known as kaddu. Kaddu ka halwa? Yes. Pumpkin is also very rich vegetable. So children, you have to eat all the vegetables to become strong, to become healthy. Yes. So you should eat all the vegetables. If you are telling to Mama, I like only lady finger. I don't want brinjal. I don't want ridge gourd. No, children. You should eat little. If you like to eat lady finger, you have to. But you should eat all the vegetables. And children, today what you have learned? Yes, separating the vegetables. sorting the vegetables. So children, you should help your mother to do this